Have you been recording your Google Meet sessions and preparing to share them with your classes for those that don't attend, or those that missed the class, or those that need to go back and do any kind of reviews? But when they go to open it back up, they get a report that says that they don't have access to the video. And you've gone through and you set the settings so that it should be visible to everybody, but still it doesn't seem like it's working for some students. Well, at least if you're in CCSD, or I think anywhere in Nevada, because it was purchased by the state of Nevada, you have access to Canvas Studio, which is down here. Now, this is technically a third-party app, but it is fully integrated with Canvas. So if you click on it on your dashboard here, you can see my Canvas Studio has a lot of different folders in it. In each one of these folders, let's actually open one that's got a few more than just one video. So in my Tinkercad video, for instance, I have all these videos on things I've created in Tinkercad that I share in my classroom. There's unlimited storage capacity in this, at least at the moment, until they go and realize how much we're actually using, and probably start trying to set a cap on it. But until then, we have unlimited storage capacity, and it works perfectly with Canvas. Very seamless. So what I'm going to do is start out by going into one of these folders. Where is the one I'm looking for? Live Recaps. All right, so in my Live Recaps folder, I've got a list of all these videos that I've created for Live Recaps. Now, if I go to Google Meet, I have these videos that I've created in Google Meet that for the Live Recap purposes. Okay, so if I, let's see, go ahead and click on this one. I believe I right-click to download it. There it is. So I'm going to choose to download this. Now, this is the only hang-up with this. It's a couple extra steps because you have to download it to your drive first. All right, so I choose to download. It's going to scan for viruses. It's doing its thing, and there we go. So it's opening up where it's going to save. I'm just going to save it into downloads. We'll call it 82.2 and say save. Now, once that is saved like so, I can choose to show in folder. Okay, and let's move that to my other screen, and then let's go back into Studio. Now, from here, all I have to do is click and drag this on over, and it's going to copy it straight in, and it's going to process. All right, it still may be processing. I should have paid attention. I've actually paused the video for a couple minutes there while it continued downloading and processing. But so while it's still processing, you should be able to open it up. Once it's opened up, it's giving you a report of where it is on process, and it's not doing totally what I thought it might. So there we go. Once you can get to here, you can go to details and rename it if you need to. If there are comments that are assigned to it, if you put it into one of your classes and you allow comments, then you will get insights and you'll be able to see who's watched it. The other thing that I really like in Canvas that's not available in Google Meets is the fact that you get captions. So you can put in a caption request, you choose which language you've spoken in the video, and you put request. It's going to take a few minutes, and it will send you an email to let you know when it's done. And then you'll need to go back into this and publish them. So review and publish is the final step on this. But everything is contained right in here. All right, now the last thing is what to do with it. So I'm going to go ahead and click edit on this page, and I want to embed the video in here. Now, because I've already opened it, I have the link here for Canvas Studio. So that's what the icon is going to look like. But if you haven't done that yet, you'll need to click on the add-ons and choose View All, and you'll find Canvas Studio in there. You choose that one, and it's going to access your Canvas Studio, and then you need to find the folder that it's in. Unfortunately, shoot, I'm working in a workroom right now. So because I'm in a workroom, there's a difference between your CCSD, the workroom videos, and the ones that are available in the HSCCSD. So because I'm in a workroom, I don't have access to all of them. So let's just click on that one. So when I want to embed it, if I choose to allow comments, then it's going to provide a option for the students to be able to leave comments within the video, but it will also provide insights to it and let me see who's watched it, how long they watched it, and kind of what information people got out of it a little bit. Okay, so I choose embed on that, and the video is straight in there. If you don't choose to add comments, the window ends right here. It just cuts it off, and you don't have this piece down below it.